Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we'll be unboxing the Boult Audio Buster Bluetooth headphones. On the box it says that they have HD deep bass and 3D acoustics, built-in mic, extra bass, and built-in micro-woofers. That's about all you can tell from the outside on the box, so let's unbox these and see what we have inside. That's the headphones. Nothing else in the box. The headphones come with the Boult Audio product catalog with details about their other products. A contact card for complaints or returns. ProBass Buster user manual. Two pairs of spare earbuds. These would be the large and small, with the medium on the headphones. And a micro USB charging cable. So let's check the headphones out themselves. Like I said, these are neckband style earphones. On the left hand side, you have the Boult Audio branding. You see the same Boult Audio branding on the right hand side with the front and back keys, which will allow you to change tracks and volume, and a multifunction button. You also see an LED light that flashes to tell you what the state of the Bluetooth and whether it's connected or not. On this side, you also have a microphone and a micro USB charging port to charge your headphones. This is quite a sturdy neckband, made mostly of rubber, with plastic at the ends where the modules are. The wire is rounded, leading to the earphones themselves. The earphone bits have this nice metallic finish at the back with the Boult Audio logo on it. You've got the rubber hooks that essentially hold the earphones in place in your ear, which are useful. The headphones themselves are angled to make it easier for them to fit in your ear. They have a magnetic lock in case you want to, for easy stowage when you're putting them around your neck, so they don't keep flapping around. And that's about it. These are the Boult Audio Buster Bluetooth headphones. Thank you for watching.